Hello, welcome to this demonstration of SAP S4HANA MRP application, a new solution in SAP's latest ERP, S4HANA Enterprise Management. In this demonstration, you will see how S4HANA allows seamless execution of MRP functionality using the newly introduced, easy to use and intuitive Fiori user interface. Let us consider that my company is a bike manufacturer. The company receives a new order to deliver 50 bikes. Currently 20 bikes are in stock, which means 30 more bikes are to be manufactured. However, the production department doesn't have a real-time visibility whether all the required parts of the bike are in stock, and if not, then what will be the time to have parts available in the plant to start the manufacturing. We will see how S4HANA gives an end-to-end visibility of the stock, enable an automated procurement for the shortage parts, and complete the production in time, thereby keeping the commitment for delivery. In this demonstration, you will see how a customer order is captured in SAP system, MRP is executed, resulting in auto-generation of the procurement request for the wheels which are part of the bike and currently not in stock, procurement of the wheels, and finally, the production completion of the bike. In this demonstration, company ABC has received an order of 50 bikes from its well-known customer First Bike Incorporation. The sales department enters the order in SAP system as a sales order. Thus, a sales order gets created with the required details. Customer being First Bike Incorporation. Although the order was placed for 50 bikes, the sales order picks up the confirmed delivery quantity immediately from the inventory as 20. Thus, the sales order is created. Now there is a shortage of 30 bikes. SAP gives instantaneous real-time inventory status during the creation of sales order. Now the sales department knows 50 minus 20, that is 30 bikes are to be manufactured immediately. At the same time, the sales operation executive looks at the sales order fulfillment issues to ensure that no further processing is done until the production of shortage quantity is complete. As he chooses First Bike Incorporation as customer and subsequently chooses a sales order to resolve the sales order issue. He uses an intuitive and flexible filter criteria to find out the relevant sales order. And while he gets into the details of the sales order, he finds that the sales order has already been blocked for delivery and for invoicing. He also observes that it is showing an unconfirmed quantities of bikes for delivery. He immediately informs his internal department that there is a shortage of 30 bikes, because of which the delivery is on hold. Thus, without using any email or out of the system functionality, S4HANA allows to communicate with the various internal departments using the sharing functionality with the newly developed Fiori apps from within the same application. The production department, as a part of regular activity, checks and looks at the new bike requirements that are raised for them. The Monitor External Requirement application gives them the production view of the available bikes and the missing quantity, which is 30 bikes in our scenario. The material planner further drills down and finds that on 17th January there is a customer order placed for 50 bikes and there is a shortage quantity of 30 bikes. However, the material planner doesn't yet know whether there is enough component material, example, wheels, frame, seat, brakes, so on and so forth are available. He executes the MRP. Post execution, he looks at the material coverage application, and the material planner finds that there is a shortage of wheels, which is displayed in a red. Fury graphical interface shows that the shortage quantity in red with 60 wheels for 30 bikes, and these are currently not available in stock, hence needs to be procured. The planner further drills down to the bill of material level, which is wheel in our case, and finds that there is already a purchase order raised for a bulk purchase of 700 wheels in near future. However, the date is 24th Jan, which may be too late for the current production schedule. He further drills down and finds that MRP has proposed a number of suppliers who are available to deliver the wheels. He chooses one of the preferred suppliers and creates a requisition for the purchase of 60 wheels from the same screen within a few seconds. The purchase requisition that was initiated by the production department is now visible to the purchase department as the procurement executive opens the Fury application to check the status of the various purchase requisitions. There is no email or telephonic communications required between the departments. In the purchase requisition, the suggested supplier names are also popped up, helping to decide if any change of supplier is required. The procurement executive chooses the correct purchase requisition and converts that to a purchase order from the same screen. The system prompts for a few warning messages, which he ignores, and the purchase order is successfully created. Once the purchase order is created, the supplier delivers the wheels in an agreed time frame to the warehouse. In the warehouse, the wheels are received using the GRN functionality. While doing the GRN, the concerned person just enters the purchase order number. S/4HANA automatically picks up the value and the quantity from the purchase order and fills up the GRN document. He then posts the goods received and a material document is created. The production department in the meantime constantly checks the material coverage application. They finally find that the wheels are available in stock. Therefore, it is good to start production. The production executioner reviews the plant order in details before he converts the plant order to a production order. He gets into the next level and also looked at the plant order to find out whether the dates and the quantities are correct. The final step is to convert that plant order to a production order. He then schedules the order run using the schedule order application. SAP's superfast HANA in-memory application completes the schedule run within a few seconds. He now opens the production order and looks at the production completion date as suggested by SAP, considering the various constraints. It is 9th February. As he further drills down, he finds the stock requirements which are already fulfilled. He gets into the component level details, that is all the bill of materials where the system shows all the availability in green using the colored Fury graphical user interface. The production executioner also looks at the milestones of the production process, starting from the release of the order to production completion and the final goods received from the plant. As a final step, To complete the production process, he confirms the order from inside S4HANA system with the required details. The actual production data entered in this screen will be utilized to calculate and compare the planned versus actual production quantity, scrap, as well as actual costing against the planned costing. Finally, he confirms the goods movement, which will be reflected into the inventory automatically as the stock is issued. Thus, the production order is now confirmed, signaling the successful completion of the production process. What we have seen now is that S4HANA, with its MRP functionality, is providing the material availability data on a real-time basis in the fingertips, and thereby allowing the companies to execute the manufacturing functionality with precise schedule and accuracy. My bike is ready. I am happy, and I'm sure my customer will be happy to receive the delivery on schedule. Thank you very much for watching.